Wow, we had some windstorm come blow over here through here this last night. I'm tired. I just woke up. Look at what happened to our palm trees across the street. They're all on the ground. Wow. I can't believe. Oh, you remember the last time was the fence over there. This time it's the palm trees come falling down. I'm not even. I just got woke up. I'm tired still. I'm gonna go back to bed. But check this out. This is from the palm trees. They all came down last night. Wow. Check it out. We're supposed to get some more high winds in tonight. And then some in the morning. We're supposed to get some rain, but it looks like it's nice and sunshiny out to me. Anyway, short and sweet. Gotta go. Don't even. I got woke up. And then they disappeared after they came to get some help. A beautiful day in Naked City. Peace.